Namaskar. In this episode of Dil Se, we'll be talking about the issue of safety and security of women in India, in the workplace. Now, as you know, that there's a World Bank report which says that 35% of women in India suffer some kind of violence at the hands of others. That's a very disturbing trend. The global average is 27%. There's also another report of the Georgetown Institute of 2023, which says that of all the countries in the world, we rank 128 out of 172 in terms of safety of women and violence against women. Now, what are the reasons for this? Well, I think some of the reasons are the patriarchal system in India, patriarchy, I think is one of the reasons why this is happening. Two, the economic disparity which exists within society as far as the earning capacity of men and women is concerned. Three, there are multifarious cultural practices in India, and the caste system has something to do with it. And number four, there is a gender-based discrimination which women feel at every level of society as they move along in life. और कई और भी बातें होंगी, इसके बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे और ये सोचकर चर्चा करेंगे कि आगे क्या होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसका सुधार भी होना चाहिए और समाज में अगर ऐसे हिंसा के जो एक्ट्स हैं वो हमारी महिलाओं के साथ हो तो उसका रोकना बड़ा ज़रूरी है। और इसलिए आज इस सेफ्टी के इशू में, वर्क प्लेस के इशू में कौन कौन से पहलू हैं जिसके बारे में हमें चर्चा करना चाहिए। तो हमारे साथ तीन women who have proved themselves in life हमारे साथ आज शामिल हैं। पहला है चांदनी भारद्वाज जी। She is a banker and at the moment she manages the finances of high net worth individuals. She works with the HDFC Bank and she does a lot of work for the bank, and she's had a fabulous career. She's a gold medalist in economic honors from Beats and Beats College. वो शिमला में था ना, तो मैं भी पहले 8 साल अपने ज़िंदगी में शिमला में ही मैंने बिताए। सेंट एडवर्ड्स स्कूल में मैं पढ़ता था उस समय। Also, I think you did a course in the IIM in Ahmedabad. The HDFC Bank sent you for that course. And also you did your marketing and management and finance in Symbiosis University.
That's right.
So we're going to talk about this issue with you. Thank you very much for being here.
Absolutely.
Manisha, I must confess, is junior in my chamber. Now, normally, I would not have asked her to come. But when this incident in Calcutta happened, she was very agitated in the evening, and she came to me, and rightly so. She was highly emotive, very disturbed, and I asked her, why don't you come on my program? She hesitated, but I'm making this confession that she works with me, and I want her to tell the public through Dil Se as to what's happening in India. Then we have Sudhi Rastogi, who is a dentist, and she sort of takes care of our teeth. At the moment, we need some teeth to protect women. That's for certain.
Absolutely.
And she's been working as a medical professional for 19 years. And she got a degree in dental medicine from Kanpur Dental College, and you run a Modi clinic. Before that, you were working as a resident doctor in Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Hospital, and you worked as a resident director in Ram Manohar Lohia, and now you're doing your business. So let's start the discussion with you.
Please.
Why do you think this is happening, and ever so often?
I think, I like to put the things in motion by just quoting a poet, So Luke Easter says that, that a strong woman has the strength for the journey, but a woman of strength knows that the journey will make her strong. So somehow I think women don't take that first step to move out, to start working. There are certain preconceived notions that, that these will be the implications, or, how would the home be managed, or how to manage both fronts. I think one doesn't realize that the strength comes in when you're part of the journey. When you just walk along, take each day as it comes. And you know, with the circumstances around you, with the people around you, one gathers the strength to really find a solution. I think I can say it for myself, you know, being supported with family and working for the last 20 years now, and I've been a banker all throughout. I can definitely state that, you know, that the hurdles and whatever that one has faced in the journey, it was not preconceived, you know, that I didn't know that these will be the issues that I will face, but I think each and every issue that I got faced with, there was always a solution to it. And I think somewhere we feel that women stepping out or taking that, because that will solve a lot of issues.
Your companion has to support you, नहीं?
Absolutely.
हाँ, तो अगर वो support नहीं करेगा तो इस journey कैसे होगी?
Companion has to support, society has to support, not only a
हाँ, तो
companion.
फिर कैसे support होती है? अक्सर companion support नहीं करता, society support नहीं करती, माँ बाप कहते हैं तुम शादी करो, शादी के बाद फिर बच्चे हो जाते हैं, फिर उनका देखभाल करो, तो आपको where do you get the chance to go out and ये problem है.
That's true.
And there's a societal issue.
That's true.
जब तक family के level पे फैमिली नहीं सोचती कि आपका भी अधिकार है काम करने का, आपका ही अधिकार है कि सोसाइटी का हिस्सा बनने का, आपका भी, आपकी कुछ आकांक्षाएं हैं, आपके भी सपने हैं, तब तक ये काम कैसे होगा? तो वो जो एटीट्यूड है मनीषा, क्या सोसाइटी में शामिल है या नहीं?
See, sir, I'll tell you. So I come from a family where my father, once I turned 21, my father said, "Ki, okay, now you're graduated from college, you have to now earn your keep and you have to do your work." And that was the first thing. It was taught to me from the very beginning that I have a voice. But this is for me, that I had a voice, and that on the table I had a say, but not for every woman. I come from Jharkhand, where I have seen personally that girls have been married at the age of 18, 19, there's less education, they do not know their rights. So it's society which at the end of the day, like, you know, I feel that it's a societal issue. Rape, violence against women is a societal issue. That is what my take on this.
The men folk think they can get away with it.
Exactly. That is the perception which men have. Because if you see, sir, the data which you just rightly pointed out, you said that the World Bank data has like
35%.
Yes, exactly. 35% of women face like all around the world, but there is 80% of women who in India face violence, sexual harassment, assault.
No, they're 35% talking about India. The World Bank is talking about India, the global average is 27%.
Exactly. So what I'm trying to say is that women, like, and there was a data which I was reading that 97% of women, actually the rape, the assault incidents which happen, it happens by people who you know, like, you know, your neighbor or your relative or cousin, like, you know, someone who you know. So
actually जब ऐसा होता है तो जो हमें पता चला है कि 11% औरतें कहती हैं कि हम जॉब छोड़ देंगे, लेकिन ये बात हम पब्लिकली
नहीं बोल पाएंगे ना, क्योंकि फॉर एग्जांपल सर, इफ इट्स योर रिलेटिव, हाउ कैन यू एक्सपोज इट? आप कैसे बोलेंगे कि मेरे ये कजिन ने मेरे साथ रेप करा? आप बोल सकते हो, या मुझे हैरेस करा, तो वो उसके पनिशमेंट्स है.
This is where I will say something is like this starts if your mother teaches the son the right thing. अगर माँ अपने बेटे को ये समझा दे, you have to respect every girl. Every man on this earth has come from a female only. There is no possibility you can come on earth.
Thank God for it.
Yeah. Yes. And so if you're not going to respect or, you know, feel about that for her, how will you even go beyond it? As a father, like you said, your father said you're 21, you should get married. But then
no, 21, no, you have to earn your keep. So you need to get a job.
Right. And then just be by yourself. But then if your mother is supporting and telling the son that, see, you have to respect the girl.
But you know, you come from families where your family supported you in
exactly.
doing what you're doing.
Exactly.
But millions
of dreams are not, so the women, like, you know, women, like lot of women, that they can't go out and work. Their fathers won't say, like, you know, in Jharkhand there are women who get married at 18, 19, 16.
Even in Delhi, you have maids.
Yeah.
Even if you have maids, those
Yeah.
maids also being in Delhi for last 20 years, 10 years, still they say if something has happened, no, we cannot say, हम नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Awareness is an issue.
They always say, we say that we'll support you, but they say आप लोग बड़े लोग हो, आप कर सकते हैं. हम बहुत छोटे हैं, हमारे सब तरफ बदनामी हो
Exactly, there's
जाएगी.
no support.
Yes.
So when I said that, every topic was on table, my mom and dad gave me a voice to speak up.
Right.
And that has been there, right from school, right from family, then school, then college, and wherever I've worked as well.
I know how you speak up in my chamber.
I have never been muffled,
And
my
raised
voice
as
is,
equals.
yeah.
So there's never that that if you're a girl.
So therefore,
you're raised
let's
differently.
come down to this. Do you think it's patriarchy, which is the main?
I agree. The very heart of the
Yes.
issue is patriarchy.
Patriarchy.
and
That is
the
the
other
focus point of it. That is.
And that is very, very important
So
that as
then
a
how do you
society.
get rid of it unless you start at the level of the school, at the level of the home? First it's the home,
Yes.
then it's the school. मैं घर में ये बात समझाई जाए कि जो हमारी बच्चियां हैं, they are as important to the family as the male child.
Male child.
पहली बात, उनके भी उतने ही हक हैं. ये नहीं कि बेटा पहले खाना खाएगा और बेटी बाद में खाएगी.
सर कोई लड़का अगर भाग रहा है और उसको आप बोल रहे हो कि तुम लड़की जैसे भाग रहे हो, so it is supposed to be derogatory. That that it is not derogatory. A woman running, a girl running is not derogatory. That what are you crying? लड़की की तरह रो रहे हो. It is the essence of our being, sir.
Being.
That is what we
This
are.
is how we are.
Absolutely.
So patriarchy, I think, is
Patriarchy is the heart of this entire issue, the violence against women. If we can just put it in one word, what is the issue? The issue is patriarchy.
But patriarchy is mixed up with the caste system, don't you think?
I agree.
Yes.
I agree.
A little percentage, definitely yes. Maybe
I agree.
A large
40%.
percentage.
A large
Yeah.
percentage
Large
of it.
percentage.
Yes, a large
Because
percentage.
the caste
It's like a
structure
60-40.
is such that people feel, the dominant caste feels they're entitled to it.
Yes.
Exactly.
I'm not talking about everybody, I'm just saying people within. I've seen that.
So, sir, I agree with you. For example, this is a topic which is quite frowned upon. For example, marital rape. It's there in the upper caste much more than compared to women, because women, if you know, in way back before this laws were enacted, women in Dalits and all, they could get divorce before, they had the right to divorce. There was always the right to divorce, whereas in upper caste, divorce was frowned upon. You could never ask for a divorce.
Right.
So these issues are very rampant, and at the end of the day, when we see domestic violence, we realize that, we are working with the same men. They know the territory. It is not that the man is doing or has an abusive behavior always. When he comes to work, he's absolutely like a normal colleague. When he's walking on the street, he's just like a normal person walking on the street. When he's buying vegetables, he's like a normal person. But when he goes home, he knows his territory. He knows the territory that where one can really go ahead and become and do what he really wants to do. I have just one more point to add on here, that that today people say that there is a need. So people need money also, but that doesn't mean that they're looting banks. Because they know that the systems are in place. The security is there, that if today you go and loot a bank, you will be taken to task. But similarly, if today you make women secure, if the woman is secure, then at least the person on the other side will think twice.
नहीं, but यहाँ तो कानून भी हैं.
कानून भी है.
हैं,
Yes, absolutely.
और दंडित भी होते हैं, सजा भी होती है और कार्रवाई भी होती है. लेकिन मैंने देखा है कि कानून के बावजूद
Yes, I agree.
ये आक्रमण हो रहा है, वायलेंस हो रही है. So even if you have strict and stringent laws, yet these incidents are happening. And therefore, it is something beyond the law that's happening in our country.
That's true, sir. Women
Right?
are gullible, sir. Many times what happens is that the woman knows that, if today I go and say or I, admit, will there be someone to hold my hand? Why? Because you're not financially independent. Who will really take care of the needs? If today we ensure that, that there is that there is financial independence, or maybe some literacy, I will not say independence, I would say literacy. That, if a woman is literate to know that, okay, this is the way that I have to save, or I have to really manage things, and she has some backup. A backup maybe just be for few days, few months, at least she knows that, you know, if I voice it out, I will be not left wandering completely.
But you look at it ऐसे देखो, एक महिला की शादी हो गई, उसने BA पास नहीं किया, उदाहरण तौर पे बोल रहा हूँ, उसके साथ कुछ हो रहा है, उसको मालूम है कि अगर वो ऐसी बात करेगी, अगर घर से निकाली जाएगी तो जाएगी कहाँ?
Exactly.
What will she eat?
अच्छा, आज के दिन जो सामाजिक जो व्यवहार होता है कि जो पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि भाई हमने तो शादी कर दी,
हमने तो शादी कर दी,
हमने तो
हमारी
शादी कर दी, अब
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
हमारे
खत्म,
पास वापस नहीं
हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खत्म।
होता है ना। अच्छा, वो बेचारी पेरेंट्स के पास भी नहीं जा सकती, किसी और के पास भी नहीं जा सकती, तो वो तो फंस गई ना।
And so wealth has to be distributed
अच्छा।
equally between men and
नहीं,
women.
वो तो बात की बात है, वेल्थ की
नहीं,
बात तो
डाउरी में जो जिस गर्ल को मैरी कर दिया, she is just given dowry and just done away with.
that's right,
Yeah.
that's right. नहीं, मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ
Yeah.
कि इस सिचुएशन में औरत कहीं, महिला कहीं जा भी नहीं सकती।
Yeah.
अच्छा, अगर उसके साथ कोई ऐसा दुरुपयोग कोई और कर रहा हो, तो वो फैमिली कहती है कि भाई इसको हम एक्सपोज कैसे करें?
Exactly.
It's only very brave people in the family who go to the police station
and say.
and record an FIR. Very brave.
Very, very few
So
people.
the figures which the figures which have come out, there are 90 cases of rape every day reported. We should, like, the unimaginable amount of unreported cases which are there, we just don't know the numbers.
I'll give you the number. And NCRB data, I'll just give
Yes.
you. NCRB data of 2022 says there are 31,560 rape cases, which translate to 85 rapes per day,
Yes.
or a rape every 16 minutes.
Yes. Like,
It is shocking.
like that's the number which was given, 90 rapes per day in this country. Imagine.
It's just because they don't have a backup, you know.
I'll tell
Nobody's
you,
supporting
the
them.
key to this
That's why they're
entire
not reporting.
conversation is education. Education
Yes,
system
education
needs
is
to
the prime thing.
education, employment, because employment is another issue.
Yes.
We need to address
No, the
the elephant in
woman
the
should have the courage कि अगर ऐसा हुआ है, मैं घर से बाहर जाती हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे नौकरी मिल जाएगी। अगर नौकरी तभी मिलेगी उसने BA मिनिमम किया हो, या कोई स्किल हो उसके पास। तो जब तक, एज यू आर राइट, जब तक महिला के लिए विश्वविद्यालय नहीं खोले जाएंगे, मैं तो कहता हूँ कि एक्सक्लूसिव महिलाओं के लिए विश्वविद्यालय होने चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
that
Exclusive.
point where I would
Absolutely.
disagree
And some
with
skill
you, sir.
training and all.
I'll tell you why. Because ये exclusivity जब हो जाती है ना, तब हम वो co-ed system should be, what I feel is co-ed system should be given much more importance of, so that the boys and the girls at the very level
But
see
the
the
gap is so
equality.
much, sir. Gap is
if
so
we
much.
if we don't stem it from the KG classes, from K to 5, you know, guys.
Manisha, उसकी problem मैं आपको बताऊँ. I mean, for example, if you look at schools, even in England, there are exclusively girls schools.
Eton is for
Exclusively
boys
boys
and
schools. And
yeah.
नहीं, बात ये है कि पहली, the first challenge is to educate women.
It's such a
you
huge
don't,
gap.
You will
It's such a
not
huge
have schools, enough schools,
That's true.
co-ed schools to educate all the women.
That's
So I think what we need to do,
All girls.
we have, for example, Vishwavidyalaya only for women.
Yeah,
Kasturba
there are
Gandhi,
Kanya
Kanya Vidyalayas.
Kasturba Gandhi Vishwavidyalaya only for women for secondary education. We have it.
And parents-
Why shouldn't we open more?
And
of these?
parents don't prioritize, sir. If there is, there is a limited amount of money, they will always prioritize to educate the son first. That is where the difference comes in. The girl comes in much later because they know they have to marry her and just
They
give it
just
off
keep the
to
money
another
for the
family.
marriage.
Yeah.
इसकी शादी होनी है, इसलिए पैसा रखना है, इसको education की जरूरत नहीं है.
But-
But that is where you go wrong. If you're educated, you will get married by yourself. Then you don't
Or
need that
you may
money.
choose not
You
to
don't
get
need
married as
anything.
well. Or you not
If
to
you're
get
well
Or you
educated.
choose not to
it's
get
not
married
to
as
get
well.
married, that-
Marriage is an option,
Yeah,
not
oh
a
yes.
necessity.
I agree with you.
That is one
And when you
individual's-
educate a woman, they say you educate the whole family. So, if today a woman is educated, tomorrow the children, that's a chain that completely comes along.
आपने तो बात कर ली अर्बन वुमेन की, अब देहात की बात करो। वो बेचारी लड़कियां खेती में काम करती हैं,
Yes, I agree.
एजुकेशन कहाँ से होगा?
Skill
अच्छा,
करो।
और उनके जो सिचुएशन हिंदुस्तान में ये है, look at the migrant labor in this country. It runs into millions.
Yes, I agree.
बिहार के लोग पंजाब में जाते हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश के लोग वहाँ जाते हैं, भिन्न प्रांतों में जाते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास अपने शहर में नौकरी नहीं मिलती। अच्छा, फिर वो फैमिली वहाँ रह जाती है, छोटा सा उनके पास ज़मीन होती है, अच्छा, उस पर वो काश्त करते हैं, घर की जो लड़की है वो जाके मदर को सपोर्ट करती है, तो वहाँ एजुकेशन कहाँ से होगी? ये तो एक बड़ा भारी प्रॉब्लम है।
Exactly. Yes.
आप हर जगह स्कूल एक करिए पहले कि उसको पता चले पढ़ने का फ़ायदा क्या है. If she hasn't entered a school, she does not know कि मैं ये भी सीख सकती हूँ, मैं वो भी सीख सकती हूँ, तो उसको कैसे
Maybe
exposure
coupled with
मिलेगा?
skill also some. That is also that you
तो
know
but
that
देहात
Need
में कैसे?
skill
I
to-
mean,
no,
villages,
but-
how do we
but
do
to
it?
get
It's a
skill,
big
you need to
problem.
be you
Big
have a
problem.
certain degree of
so
education.
you have to actually ensure that people at the bottom of the pyramid have surplus income
yeah.
so that they can educate the family.
Exactly. For that, employment is necessary. That is why employment and education go hand in hand. Sir.
But तो बात की बात है ना, पहले तो you should have
Surplus
surplus income.
disposable income.
अगर आपकी if the family is dependent on agricultural activity,
How will you-
तो फिर how will you have that?
Yeah.
Therefore, you know, these are very serious societal issues.
These are very sensitive
And
topics
nobody
also
is
that-
taking,
yeah,
you know,
that's
nobody is looking at these issues. मैं आपको एक और data देता हूँ, which will shock you. And ये भी NCRB का data है. That 96% increase in child sexual violence recorded from 2016 to 2022. Child sexual violence, 96%.
That's just shocking.
Just shocking.
Very shocking.
And you know, these are issues that need to be discussed in Parliament. कुछ चर्चा होती है?
होती है.
These are issues that the mainstream media should take up so that society knows what's happening in my country.
That is why the conversation should not be where it happened. The conversation should be why it happened.
And it
Exactly.
shouldn't
Because-
be a taboo that you know today to really speak out and say that okay this has been the issue or
It's
whatever
not a
has
bad
happened. It is not you know it is nothing to be ashamed. There's nothing wrong that the child has done.
Exactly.
Times
Or
what
the
happens
woman
is-
has done.
Yeah.
It is the it
Yeah,
is-
absolutely. At times, you know, we just say that the person who's the victim is, you know, typically again victimized and said that, you know, there may be reasons of dressing or children may be left wandering and, you know, that is where
मैं
it
आपको
really
एक
comes.
छोटी सी बात बताना चाहता
No,
हूँ.
but
And through this, the people of this country, पीछे मैंने क्योंकि कलकत्ता में ये सब हादसा हुआ, which is I think a big tragedy for this country. I think और तो मैंने कहा कि देखिए, this is symptomatic of the malaise
yes.
that exists in
In
India.
in India.
in India. तो हमारे जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट साहब हैं धनकर साहब, उन्होंने टिप्पणी की कि हाउ कैन द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द बार एसोसिएशन मेक सच अ स्टेटमेंट दैट इट इज कॉमन प्लेस. अब फॉर द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू से समथिंग लाइक दैट suggests that actually this is not commonplace. So I want to just show you something and give you some figures. You'd be shocked again. August 9, I'm talking about this year.
Yes.
August 9, Uttarakhand, a nurse was brutally raped.
Yes.
August 8, 9, 13-year-old in Amethi, in Uttar Pradesh, was raped by her father. On August 11, in Punjab, a man eloped with his girlfriend and his sister gang raped. On August 12, a 57-year-old government employee raped a 10-year-old girl, Delhi girl. On August 12, Uttarakhand, the teenager was gang raped. On August 12, a 14-year-old girl at Muzaffarpur, Bihar, was gang raped. On August 13, 2 3-year and 4-year-old girls were raped by a cleaning staff. On August 13, 20, I'm talking about August this year. On August 13, a 20-year-old man
to the
raped
limelight.
and injured a 11-year-old girl. On August 13 in Thanjavur, in Tamil Nadu, a 14-year-old girl was gang raped. On August 14 I can go on. This is on a daily
about
basis.
all these
And I have
incidents.
got a daily instances, I mean, till August 25.
Yes.
Every day.
And these
Every
issues
day,
have come to
Now,
light.
if हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कहें कि साहब ये तो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन ने से बात कैसे कह दी, तो उसका मैसेज क्या जाता है कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं. I mean, we are bringing something to this before this country and saying let's do something together. This is not an issue of politics. It's an
Yes,
issue. It's a
exactly.
societal issue that
It's-
affects
everybody.
our girl
It
child.
affects everybody. It's a human issue, not a political issue. And it should be bipartisan. So everybody should come together and find a solution to this.
Exactly.
And every child goes to school. All the instances that you've quoted, it affects everyone. There are children going to school. There are people working in offices. That's really affecting everyone.
Now you know that there is this POSH Act.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
prevention of
Sexual
Sexual
harassment
and
against women.
against women in workplace.
अब वो हुआ और उसका नतीजा क्या हुआ?
नतीजा कुछ नहीं हुआ सर, बिकॉज इफ अगर आप देखेंगे तो एक्ट 2013 में आई एंड पीपल हु ओनली 21% ऑफ द वुमेन नो अबाउट दैट एक्ट. That's the figure is glaring itself, that only 21% of the women know about that. That 20%, 21% only increased in 2021 after the Hathras incident. The number was 11% before that.
That's
so
correct.
If we do not know about an act which has been
At least
existing,
but a step in the right direction, because at least whatever one has been seeing on ground and the gap that is there.
Women are not aware of it. She's right. You're right. 11% of the women were aware.
Yeah, only 11%. Also, sir, the problem in that act is, and like if I can point out, see, it doesn't talk about the informal sector. Like as you rightly pointed out, migrants. Where will the migrants be covered?
Formal corporate still educates her, but she's right, informal sector where
now there are internal committees which were to be formed. There were local committees, complaints committees which were to be formed. Supreme Court has asked that okay, at district level you need to form a committee. There has been nothing on that regard as well. There are no internal complaints committee. I haven't seen the data on internal complaints committee for any company.
But this is the point.
Exactly.
जहाँ आपके मोदी क्लिनिक में है कोई नहीं है ना.
So
see, these are all
serious issues. You should.
So less than 10, you will have to. It'll go to the.
HDFC में है?
Yes, sir. We have
Internal complaints committee.
absolutely. That way, is in terms of the corporates and all, it's very, very mandatory for them to.
No, but a lot of private sector
But
does not
it's
have an
there.
internal committee.
No, they do not have. And even if it's there, it's just there on paper.
Correct.
Because the event, like.
As an institution, sir, because in terms of the corporates and all, they're falling. That's why I said that the gap is so much that one has to really
अगर internal
walk the
committee
path.
होगी,
Yeah.
तो when somebody files a complaint,
Right.
उसका outcome क्या होता है?
Exactly. The reports, if you see the to an extent where I agree that after 2021, there has been cases which have been reported. There has been increase in number of cases which have been reported. However, what is the outcome of that? We do not know. We do not know the data which comes. Data has never been out. So what's the data on that? We need to know.
Therefore, this should be made mandatory.
Exactly my point. And if they have like less than 10%, if any company which has less than 10 people, then there is a local complaints committee.
Are you
Those to be
aware,
formed.
Chandni, as to what is happening in that internal committee of?
Internal committees, in terms of the way that, whatever, after working in the organizations that I have, I realize that, what really practically in the corporate world that happens is that, that there is absolutely an external committee that is formed, which is unbiased to the tune. And the other thing that happens is that because maybe in certain corporates that I've been blessed to work with, the diversity is very good. So somehow, it was not, the gender biases and all have been really taken care of in that front. But the other thing is that these committees take it in terms of, that it's really handled sternly. Maybe because these companies are where they are because of certain policies being in place. But nevertheless, I would say majority still have long way to go. There are people that we interact on a day-to-day basis who are right that, who may be in terms of smaller corporates or smaller institutions where something like this doesn't even exist because they don't have the framework. They don't have a framework to depute someone tomorrow to handle something like this. They are, as it is, short-staffed where people are, doing 2 to 3 duties as it is. Now to put another person and say that, okay, you have to now be neutral and go ahead and investigate this, because this requires someone to be absolutely neutral and to ensure that the person who stood up and said that I'm a victim should really get justice.
You worked as a resident doctor in Ramaloya, you worked in other places also.
Yes.
While you were working there, आपको कुछ पता
That is a big difference in Indian hospitals, sir, and outside India. The security level is much different. If you see outside in the world, the doctors, the residents, the nurses are so well protected. Maybe because of the kind of people we have, is less of education here, then the ups and downs, some is poor, some are very rich from the background. So just because of that, I think here if you see in the hospital, people are just lying down, some are drunken, even in the night. If I'm being the resident doctor, I'm just walking by them, I'm just passing by them. And you never know who crops up in between and maybe just gives me a touch. Even that touch is not the right way to go. It's also kind of not the right thing. But there is no security. That is a big difference in outside India. There the security is so high that you are seen by the security level, who is entering the hospitals, they have the data. Here, nothing, sir, nothing at all. So it's just your colleagues, your faculty, and yourself who is you know.
No, but I mean, for example, your your interns work 36 hours.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Now, obviously, at that point in time, they are tired, they
Right.
need to rest, anybody can attack them.
Right.
Right now, how does it work in a hospital? Can you explain to us?
If you talk about a night duty, so suppose.
talking about that.
Yes, a night duty, and we get an RTA case, that's a road traffic accident case. So there's this people who have been attacked by the person and the person who has done the accident, right? And the police comes in. So these are three people you have to manage. What the doctors think is, first we say, let me just see the victim first. What has exactly happened? Let me give him the basic sutures. मैं उसको सेव कर दूँ, उसके बाद आपसे बात करूँगा. But by the time हम लोग उसको करना चाहते हैं, पुलिस वो लोग आके प्रेशराइज करने लग जाते हैं. नहीं, पहले आप इसको सेटलमेंट करिए, एक MLC बनाए. पहले MLC बनाए. हम लोग बोलेंगे नहीं, हम MLC नहीं बनाएंगे, हम पहले करेंगे काम. पहले हम लोग उसको सूचा करते हैं. whatever the first stage is, we need to do that. So वो एक बीच में हम लोगों को एक बैलेंस बना के चलना पड़ता है, तो वो करना पड़ता है सर. बट बाय द टाइम पुलिस हम लोग को हेल्प करती है कि आप करिए डॉक्टर साहब काम, वी कैन मेंटेन दिस. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, वो लोग पैसे के चक्कर में कि मैंने एक्सीडेंट नहीं किया, पैसे सेटलमेंट, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स यू नो व्हिच आर लाइक अ चेन. सो देन इट गेट्स टफ. बट जस्ट बीइंग इन द प्रोफेशन, our foremost thing is always taught कि आप पहले patient बताइए.
I want to discuss something else with you. जो intern है आपका,
Yes.
जो patient को देखता है, now then there is a senior doctor,
Yes.
then there's a head.
Head, yes.
अच्छा, वो उनका routine checkup होता है.
Right.
They want the intern to be there because he is the person who is checked.
Checked, yes.
तो in fact लाजमी है that he is there for 36 hours.
नहीं सर,
नहीं?
नहीं, जरूरी
Because at
नहीं है
every
हेड
level-
वहाँ पे होंगे.
नहीं,
हाँ.
मैं head की बात नहीं कर रहा.
Right.
The intern has to brief. That's why he's there for 36
Yes,
hours.
intern is 99% there.
यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Yes.
36
Sometimes it's
घंटे
much more
36
than
घंटे
36.
इसीलिए रहना
रहना
पड़ता
पड़ता
है
है,
क्योंकि
right.
he has to brief because he is the first
He is the
person,
first person, right?
right, to actually look at the patient.
Right, sir,
So वो बेचारा या बेचारी सो नहीं
सोना
सके.
भी है,
हाँ,
खाना भी है,
तो
सब करना
ये
है.
सिचुएशन को सुधार कैसा किया जाए? ये पूछ रहा हूँ मैं आपसे.
I think employment, as she said, increase the number of seats.
Okay.
जैसे at my residency we were just 6, you know, so the whole month हम लोग का रोटरी सिर्फ 6 ही डॉक्टर्स के बीच में हो रहा था.
So that's
तो
another
it is very tough for us, but करना पड़ता है just because when we start our medicine, it is how we've been,
So
you
many
know.
people drop out, sir. I've
Right.
realized that, you know, in the last nearly 20 years that I've been working, the colleagues who were started with me, and I would say that, you know, out of which maybe about 80% of women have just decided to maybe do a private practice or do something on their own. They've not come back into the mainstream. So the breakage that happens at the level, you know, you start with a certain workforce, but till the time you reach a level where you can add value, the pipeline is completely, as they say, is broken completely, because people have decided that, you know, somehow my family is not supporting, or my priorities are not right, or people perceive me as someone who's really not very women, you know, working women are that, you know, selfish enough to really go ahead and, you know, go after your dreams. So I think somehow women have that guilt that when they work, that okay, this is the, you know, when you have to step out, you have to really go with that guilt, and that is when they choose that, okay, let me sacrifice everything and let me sacrifice my career. That is where, you know, so many women don't reach the level where they can really make. When she's saying that there are 6 doctors, because so many of them who would have started as interns, after 2-3 years of married life, the families would have told them that, okay, now you please take care of children, or please take care
But
of all that.
that's true of every vocation in life.
Yeah.
I mean, the
It's
moment
very,
you see, you get your education, you get a job, you do it for 2-3 years, you get married, then you start having children, then you naturally take maternity leave. Then the child is very young,
Yeah.
you know.
So take care
if
of
the
the child.
if the
More time
grandparents
to
are
the
not
child.
there, you have to take care
More
of the
time.
child.
Take care of the child,
then-
etc.
then-
That's what I said, sir. When I
What is the
started, there is the
problem?
So
journey.
the
This
problem
is
with
where-
the
Is the
doctors, the problem with the doctors is it's just not 36 hours. It's sometimes much more than that.
Much more,
It's,
yes.
sometimes it's 48
We
hours.
are
as well.
actually sleeping
Yeah.
on the chair itself.
On the chairs, I
Yeah.
have seen doctors sleeping on the floors.
Yes, we've
So,
done this.
The problem that could be answered for doctors is infrastructure, employment and infrastructure. In Calcutta, a doctor got raped because there was no proper restroom for women. right? So we need to have infrastructure facilities. We need to, the hospitals which we already have, we need to give more
There should
facilities
be
to
some
them.
basic guidelines.
Yeah, but the problem is
when
now-
you are having women for a workforce with you, that there should be some level of infrastructure that should be provided.
And security and surveillance. So I'll give you one case, sir. In 1989 in New York, there was this woman called Catherine Hanaut. She was she was a pathologist, and she had to like go do her rounds in the morning. So she was preparing her cases, and she was raped and murdered. After that, the entire New York City erupted, and the mayor at that point of time had to get laws and legislations passed for better surveillance. And that is why if you see the hospitals there are, you cannot just go walk past a hospital in New York. You can never go do that. Here, which hospital, you can just go frolicking around in the hospital, any government hospital you take it, you can just go in and...
दूसरी बात कि many of them don't have transportation. रात को काम करती हैं, अच्छा घर जाना होता है, कैसे घर जाएं?
They say lights on and
जैसे
girls
बताया,
in.
अच्छा if you don't
That's
have your own
completely been the way
transportation,
that it is.
अच्छा डर भी लगता है.
डर भी लगता है.
ठीक है, so why can't you have an Uber service where only women drivers are there? There should be mandated that Uber service, a certain percentage should only have women drivers, so that actually women can ask for that service.
I agree, because yeah.
These are things that the government should be thinking of, no?
So see, the problem is also because there are no women at public places. If you see, we do not have, as you rightly pointed out, women at women drivers.
Exactly.
Right. We will also not, we will find very few women at every workplace.
Correct.
Let's take example of in our Supreme
The
Court.
police
sir.
force must have more.
Police force,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
And also police force should have women.
So many women opt out, so that's what one is saying, that actually when you have good strength, or when actually the ratio, everything will be normal. Like today when we work, if there is a man working alongside or a woman, it really doesn't matter if their organization has a very good diversity, because you're just another member. If suddenly you feel that you've never been working with women and suddenly a woman comes and starts working, that's where the difference comes in. So if we have more participation, I think as a society, what I really feel is that it's very, very important, and it starts with parents.
You must also have a law, according to me, that if a woman has to go back to the home and on maternity leave, she shouldn't leave. She wouldn't lose a lien in the job.
I agree.
You know?
Yes.
That's very important, because that gives us security.
Security.
कि मैं आपने चलिए 3 साल या 5 साल, I'd not lose me. I can come back.
you
And
should-
the private sector should also have the policy.
Yes, I
You
agree.
look-
This is fine, but then what about the population? The population is so high. If you just keep a job for a 2 year.
No, you don't
But
keep
see,
a.
the
In
thing
between,
is-
you have
but the
temporary
thing-
Yeah, you
employment.
have temporary, then good enough.
Just because
I'm just saying, not that the job is vacant.
Yeah.
That continue. Lien means you can come back.
Right.
Just
Right,
because
and
you
for that
choose to
period
be
of
a
time.
mother, you shouldn't be penalized for
Penalized
that.
for that.
You should be incentivized for
That's
that.
correct.
What you said, sir, initially, that that it is your spouse that supports, because at the end of the day, if the spouse says that that okay, I am okay to really be the bread earner, and you go and support the children and everything, I think that's where the society also has to evolve. A man today should really, really support a woman to go ahead and achieve and be a parallel member. When I take certain financial classes, I always tell women that you have to be.
Talking about utopia or reality?
I always tell them that that you should speak the right thing. Today a man will respect you if your opinion counts. If today you say something where he says that it's better for you to keep your mouth zipped rather than saying something, he
I
will
can
never
tell
ask
you
your
in my
opinion.
own chamber, I mean, more than half perhaps are women.
More than half, actually, there are more women, not more than half, there are more women.
There are more women in my chamber. And they're fabulous.
Fabulous.
They're extraordinary. And I have no problem
And,
at all.
and it's not that even if we give an opinion which is absolutely wrong, sir still says that okay, he'll hear us.
So that is so good.
No, so therefore, let's end this by saying, you need a companion who supports you.
Absolutely, sir.
You need a family that supports you. You
And
need a
parents who
school
believe you.
that supports
And parents
you.
who believe you.
Yeah, a school that supports you.
Yeah.
And you need society that supports you.
That's
right? And we need judges to make sure that if something wrong goes with a woman, nothing will stop that person being prosecuted.
Absolutely.
And
You have
dealt
to
with
set
in
an
accordance
example.
with law.
That's true.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
True.
So sensitivity around the significance of the role of women in our society, the importance of women in the house and outside the house. These are factors which are relevant for the purposes of making the Viksit Bharat that we're talking about.
And generally, sir, a woman confides in a woman. If something has really gone wrong, she may really go ahead and maybe tell another woman. That is where, as a society, we have to really ensure to support one another. I always feel that, you know, if today I'm really privileged at a certain level, how can I really support someone who's really come and confided in me and looks up to me that maybe I can help?
Also, the parents should tell the daughter who gets married कि अगर तेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा होता है तो we are there for you.
Yes.
All the
ये attitude भी बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत.
that support sense is very important.
I think that security
for
if
that
the girl gets,
so
it's beyond
that is
everything.
why, sir, education shouldn't be just that you educate your women, you should educate your men as well. Because
Yes,
if you do not educate both the people, that both are equal,
Absolutely.
then there will be an imbalance. There will be an imbalance which will be
Manisha,
created.
education is not literacy.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
Education
Why
is
should a woman only
to
cook?
understand your responsibility in society.
Absolutely.
That's what education is.
Why
But
should
sir-
a woman only cook? A man should cook as well. There should be no
Yeah,
demarcated
वैसा भी तो-
duties. Next time we're going to have a meal with you, sir. We cooked for
The
you.
point is, you will not eat the food that I cook. This is the problem.
Believe me, we will. Slowly and steadily, we will. No, to motivate you, we will. We assure you. We assure you so that you know you do it better next time. We
Thank
will
you,
ensure.
thank you, thank you very much. Thank you very much for being
What a
here.
pleasure.
Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely our pleasure.